So this is a, let's call it a tool of the week for Ian Campbell. He was asking about electrical stuff, and I said this is probably one of my favourite tools ever. This is a recent one that I bought. I've had a, let's call them a power probe. This isn't made by Power Probe. This is by Facom, Expert by Facom, which is the same. I buy it, get it from my Mac tool dealer. They not only do they do Mac tools, they also do Facom tools as well. But there are lots of people that make lots of different versions of it, but it's all basically the same. Let me just get organised. Yeah, this is one that I've actually bought just to put in our rally service trolley when we go away. And it just so happens I'm doing some work. I'm rewiring the rear lights for the Rally Mini, putting Deutsch connectors on it. And not only can I answer your question about how this works, but I'll also figure out which is the brake light and which is the side light. The power, I'm going to call it a power probe even though it's not. It has a probe on the end. It has a positive and negative crocodile clips, and it also has an additional negative crocodile clip, which I'll explain why that works in a minute. So the first thing you do is stick it on your battery. Whee! We're off. Now the beauty of this is if you stick that probe on something, it will tell you what's going on. There you go. We've got positive there. We've got negative there. Lovely, eh? It will also tell you how much volts are going through it, all the way from 2 volts up to 24, which is nice. Let's go voltage. There you go. We are running 12 volts on there. It's negative, so there's no voltage going through there. But the other beautiful thing about this is you can go to test function on it, and with this button here you can make the tip of the probe positive, or you go the other way, you make the tip of the probe negative. Now with this combination you can do almost anything. So this is the negative fly lead. I'm going to put it on the negative of the thing that I want to test. And now we're in test mode. So if I want to know what the red cable does, I just go doop. There we go. Not particularly bright. I reckon that might be side light. What's that? Green, just green. Woo, that's indicator. And that one's hopefully brake light. Yeah. Which was it? Yeah, so red is side light. Green and purple is brake light. So as you can see, you can literally work your way along a car and figure out, well look, we've got negative there. That post should be negative, shouldn't it? Yeah. See, look, I can already tell because it's got like such a crappy connection there, look. It's intermittent, look. That one as well. If I pull it up, probably when it's clamped in tight, it'll probably work. Absolutely brilliant tool, it really is. And say you can go, is my post okay? Yeah, my post is alright. Is my clamp okay? Yes. And work your way all the way up along the system, seeing what the voltage drop is. Anyway, that is my tool of the week. Yeah, very rarely do I pick up a voltmeter or a test meter nowadays. Hope that helps.